Hello friends, wait. What happened? Again the loss occurred. Look, the mistake is not yours. If you are facing losses in trading, the problem is in your trading app because you selected that random app. That's why you are experiencing loss. In today's video, I will talk about the top 5 best trading app that can help you to reduce your losses in the trading in 2024. With their help, you can make your trading more efficient and more profitable. So stay tuned to my channel. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investors. Guys, the problem is that to reduce your losses, you can only select your trading app based on charges. I will tell you, when you close your eyes and select a trading app based slowly on charges, what hidden charges it has, which can prevent your trading app from becoming profitable. So friends, basically I am going to talk about the Tokens formula. Simply 4 terms that you carefully considered when opening your Demat account. What happens here is you focus only on one term, which is the third term, meaning charges. You give more importance to third term, charges, and by just looking at the charges, you open your account and randomly choose a trading app. You don't pay attention to other important factors. Let me briefly clarify the Tokens formula for you. Basically, the Tokens formula has 4 terms. The first term is T, which stands for technology. Today, trading is done online and the level of technology in your application matters so much. What problems might you face with your app? I will tell you. Firstly, you should know that your app must have advanced and super advanced technology. Another thing you should know or see in your app in the order type. You know that we do options trading, so you have to create a basket of multiple orders at once and place them over. If your broker has a basket order or basket order cover or any similar feature available, then it will be beneficial. For most importantly, the user interface is also important. Your app should be user friendly so that you can have a smooth trading experience. You can easily track market trends and manage your trades efficiently. Lastly, also pay attention to security. Your app should have robust security feature to keep your financial information, and just as I told you, if your broker doesn't offer bracket orders, basket orders, cover orders, and all these types of orders, then obviously you will incur losses because you are not benefiting from advanced order type. Apart from this, the fourth term in our formula is S, which stands for service. Whenever you call your broker or trading app for service, the person on the other end should be so efficient that they can assist you or resolve your problem in a very short time. Your position will convert into a profit or loss based on their advice. Considering all these factors, you should select your app wisely, because if you choose a broker based only on charges, it becomes a problem. In this case, the problem is that the required technology may not be available. Now, I will tell you about the 5 best trading apps for 2024, and I haven't selected any zero brokerage trading app for a simple reason. The NSE receives 55 complaints on average. On the NSE, complaints filed against brokers are categorized from 1 to 9 order type, with type 5 complaints being specific. These complaints are filed because if you are facing financial losses due to a broker and the reason is that your app hangs at crucial time, the trading app hanging can lead to issue with your position, especially in options trading and intraday activities. If your position turned from profit to loss due to app hanging during a break, you experience overall losses. If you consistently faces losses, you would file a type 5 complaint. The type 5 complaint ratio is high in zero brokerage Demat account. Here, not opting for zero brokerage doesn't mean it lacks potential. The future of zero brokerage will likely establish itself in a streamlined manner within 1 to 3 years, so you can also consider them. So, on the 5th position, the best trading app I am going to tell you is about Grow. I am recommending the Grow app for trading and investment because it provides a seamless platform especially suitable for beginners due to its easy to use interface. While other apps offer similar facilities, Grow is designed primarily for beginners. In Grow, you can easily manage mutual funds and stocks together. Although it doesn't support currency and commodity trading, now discussing that brokerage at the fourth position. We have Paytm Money. Couple of years ago, I made a video highlighting its disadvantage, but they have made significant updates in the past 2 years. However, they increased their brokerage charges from 10 rupees to 20 rupees to fund their technology's advancement. Moving on the third position, Zerodha, which has the second highest number of customers worldwide. It ranks below Grow as Grow exceeds in marketing while Zerodha hasn't focused much on marketing recently. When opening an account with Zerodha, they charge you 300, but apart from that, I will tell you about two apps based entirely on the Tokas formula. Besides, the charges here are also low and you get good services. In Zeroth, you will get technology and order type. In terms of charges, there is an AMC charge for account opening. The customer services of Zerodha is good. Let's talk about the second best trading app. I recommend Upstock as the second best trading app. When you go to Upstock, you have many options like charts, indicator options, and strategy options. If you trade from phone to desktop and get advanced level software, I specifically suggest Upstock for traders. Here, all trading related features are available in one place, making trading smooth and advanced. In addition to this, the broker I have placed in the first position is Angel One. Here, you get the first year AMC free. Account opening is also free and delivery is free. If you want to invest for the long term, Angel One is the best platform for you. And if you want to trade, Upstock will be suitable for you. These are the best 5 trading apps. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and also subscribe because you will get such videos in the future. Take care and goodbye.